This video will demonstrate how both employees and employers can manage coins with SQL Vision. Today, Jason, an employee at eStream Software, has been actively using SQL Vision to complete various tasks, assignments, and attend upskilling sessions. After putting in the effort, he's curious to see the rewards he's earned. He now wants to check the coins he's accumulated and making the most of his hard work through the software's reward system. How employee manage coins. Upon logging in, he is greeted with a simple dashboard featuring a list of buttons. He clicks on Wallet and navigates to the coin transaction section, where he can easily view a clear history of his rewards and spending. Everything is easy to find and well organized. Before Jason redeems his gift with the coins, he can take a look at the point and figure chart, which lets him track how his monthly coins are earned and spent. Now, he wants to check the earliest coins rewarded from assignments, tasks, or upskills, so he will select the descending order. By doing this, the most recent transactions will appear last, allowing him to easily find the earliest rewards. By default, transactions are shown in ascending order, with the latest rewards listed first. How employer manage employees' coins. At the same time, Vivian, the manager of the company, wants to review employee rewards to strategize and implement an effective departmental reward plan. She can do this by clicking on the wallet with multiple people icon to check employees' coin history. You can also filter employees by options like branch, department, and more. For example, here are the coin transactions of Jason Tan. Would like to discover more exciting features? Scroll left to see the leaderboard of coins and check out who's leading the pack. Want to see the full rankings? Just click View All and dive into the competition. Discover what's trending. Wondering what the most popular gift is right now? Take a peek and see what's capturing everyone's attention. Who knows, it might just inspire your next redemption. With SQL Vision, employees can effortlessly manage their coins, track their progress, monitor their usage, and redeem rewards, making the entire experience both seamless and rewarding. Stay on top of your achievements and enjoy the benefits of a well-organized reward system. SQL Vision makes it all possible.